Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Canva designs directly from Canva to your messengers, whether that's your friends, colleagues, students, or viewers. So, for example, this is a design I have created, and I want to share it directly from Canva to Messenger. You don't need to download it or upload it to your Messenger. You can simply and directly send any design to your Messenger group or to individual users. To do that, you need to go to Share, then select See All. Click on See All, go to the Social section, and here you'll find the option for Messaging. You can choose to send via WhatsApp, iMessage, or Messenger. Just click on Messenger, and this will generate a code. All you need to do is scan this QR code with your phone, and you can immediately send your designs to anyone you'd like. Within a few seconds, your design will be sent directly to whomever you choose. So, yeah, it's simple. You don't have to download and upload it to Messenger, or select people manually. You can just send it straight from Canva. So yeah, that was a simple tutorial. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.